Welcome to all Life Science Academy. In this animation, we will learn how the cell look like and what is the constituent or what is the organelles present in the typical eukaryotic cell. So first of all, we have to knowing what is the plasma membrane. So this structure is the plasma membrane. This is the plasma membrane. As you all know that plasma membrane is lipid bilayer in nature. So it possesses head and tail two things. It possesses two things, head and tail regions. So this create the boundary. This create the boundary and separate the outer and inner environments from the cell. So it is acting as a separate compartment, or it is acting as a single compartment under which multiple compartments are present. So compartmentalization is present in the eukaryotic system, not in the prokaryotic system. After that, plasma membrane, you have to know what is the ribosome. So, what is the ribosome? So, structure is the ribosome. This structure is the ribosome, which is present or which is synthesizing or which is present on the endoplasmic reticulum or rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is looking like rough because of this pink molecule. This pink molecule is the ribosome. This pink molecule is the ribosome, which is the protein factory. Or you can say here the production of protein is happen. This is the protein factory. So here production of protein is happen, or you can say synthesizing the protein or synthesis of protein can occur in the ribosome. This is the protein factory. After that, you have to know what is the nucleus. What is the nucleus? So this region is the nucleus. So this region is the nucleus. In the nucleus region, there will be presence of genetic material, and this genetic material is the DNA in the form of chromosome. This is the chromosome. And in prokaryotic cell, there is no presence of chromosome. Its genetic material is not called it as a chromosome. It is simply called as a nucleoid because there will be no separate compartment in the prokaryotic cell. This is the typical structure of the eukaryotic cell. So this is the chromosome and this is the nucleolus part. This is the nucleolus part. So one thing you remember that nucleus is also a membrane bound organelle. In prokaryotic system, there is no membrane bound organelles are present. So this region is the nucleus, and the outer membrane of nucleus is emerges into a endoplasmic reticulum. This folded structure is the endoplasmic reticulum, and in the endoplasmic reticulum there will be presence of what? Ribosome, or you can say protein factory. And after that, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. So how look like Golgi apparatus? How look like Golgi apparatus? This is the Golgi apparatus. This is what? This is Golgi apparatus. So, a phenomenon known in the cellular organization, that is the protein sorting and signaling, protein sorting and targeting, which is run with the help of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. And this is the lots of minute vesicles which have a similar property like lipid bilayer. And this region, and this is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here, can you see there is no presence of ribosome. There is no presence of ribosome. This is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So this is what? This is mitochondria. This region is what? This is the mitochondria. In the mitochondria, what happened? This is the energy house. This is the energy house. Or you can say ETC is run in the mitochondria for the production of, for the lots of production of ATP generation. So this region is what? This is the centrosome. Under the centrosome, there will be two centrioles present, and which give rise to the microtubules for the cell separation and cell organelles movement. This is the centriole. This is what? Centriole. And this is the microtubules. This is the microtubules. And this is the vesicles. And what is the function of vesicles? As you all know that. What is function of vesicles? Vesicle, a mitochondria, a ribosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, plasma membrane. So this is the structure of a typical eukaryotic cell. Under what happened? This region is a boundary. This region is a boundary, which we call it as a plasma membrane. So what is mystery behind the cell and the cell theory? This is a single cell which gives rise to a multicellular organism, and this multicellular organism give rise to tissue level of organization and finally organism level. So this is the typical cell, and this typical cell is very beautiful and attractive in the 3D animation. Say hi, cell. First cell. This is the, you can say, first cell.